Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. I have an AIA beauty box for the month of March 2023. This is $38 a month, access to new brands or influencers. This is basically like a box takeover of a brand or an influencer. Value of over $100 each box. They do donate $1 to their charity for each box purchase. This is, oops, a little sneak peek here. And this month it is Rachel Couture, right here. And a little sneak peek at the products. Just an update, AIA did make it right. They couldn't do it with cheese, so they did it on their own website. They gave us a code in an email to use on their website to spend the $25 on their site. So I was able to pick 2 products, and they're going to send them to me. And there were, you know, hair stuff that I know I would use or that I did use when I received it in a previous box. So while it wasn't the 5th cheap product that we should have received, it still was something to make up for that. And, you know, at least they took care of it. There are some companies that just don't, but let me give you a little sneak peek into this really pretty box. Like I said, I've never heard of Rachel Couture. Sometimes I think I live under a rock, but let's just get started. Here, this is right here, Face and Body Shimmer Spray, $16 value. That you can see is very like bronzy gold. I will not even, and it's completely sealed up. I'm going to leave it sealed because I will share that. I will not use that. Let me see. Refreshingly hydrating vegan face and body mist infused with mica-based shimmer and daisy extract for a subtle dewy glow. Yeah, I won't use that at all. So the next one is here, and this is a translucent powder, and this is in medium, $20. Is it sealed? No. Let's open her up. That probably will work fine for me in medium. Sometimes the regular, like the whitish transparent is sometimes too, it just makes me too pale looking, and the medium ones are usually fine. So you get a decent amount of product there. It's vegan finishing powder infused with arnica extract to mattify and set, providing a silky, long-wearing, shine-free finish. Okay, fairly priced. My nose is running today. Here's the next box, and this is a liquid blush, $20. Liquid blush is hibiscus infused and provides an all-over glowy flush. And I have sugar pink, which is nice. I love the packaging right here. So you can see the tone. Let me see if we can open this. Oh, right there. So let's put a tiny drop on, and then I'll see. So there it is on. Let's just move it around my hand and that diffuses out nicely when you blend it out. That would be a beautiful, beautiful blush color. Very nice. I like that. Sorry for the runny nose today. The next we have a palette, $29, golden what? Oh, clove. Let me see how this opens. There is usually a area that you can open it. I'm telling you, I'm struggling today, and I don't know why. Okay. My first day filming after my back procedure. I just am not feeling good today. I'm just very shaky and just struggling a little bit, but we'll get through it. So this is the palette. Very nice. Let's see what you look like. Oh, very pretty. There is a shield, and it's one of those ones that are like taped down. So let's pull you off. So I can at least show you what the palette looks like. I will cover the mirror. Pretty palette. I don't know if I'll keep it or not. I have to really I have another one, couple that I put in my think pile. Very pretty palette though. Has a nice mirror. Let's see if I can get that hair out. My nose is so running. I can see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers, and the rest are mattes. 16 color eyeshadow palette. That's really a pretty palette. A lot of neutrals. I love the gray. I don't know what I'll do with that, but I will let you guys know. Where's the sticky side? Let's get you back down. Secure you, but beautiful palette. Happy to have it. I'm sorry, my nose is just runny today. Vegan eyeshadow palette, which is nice. Infused with natural botanical extracts. It says here, Rachel Couture products are made with the safest natural ingredients, making it non-toxic and paraben-free. In addition to being safe and healthy for your skin, it is also 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and never tested on animals. Thank you. Wonderful to know. I wanted to read that. And then next, it looks like we have a lipstick. $20. This just says nude. Let's see. I'm excited. Beautiful packaging. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, nice. This is like one of them like fatter tubes. And it does say nude on it. Oh, look at this. Perfect. Goes nice with the blush. Oh, that feels creamy and nice. And like, here's the packaging on the top. Beautiful packaging. Oh, I'm excited for this box. I did not even know who the influencer was. I've just been so busy and so just out of it this past week. I wasn't even paying attention to, I mean, I don't try to see spoilers anyway, but I didn't even know who was in this month's box, to be honest with you. But I'm excited. The only product that I'll share is here because I won't use that. But everything else I'm excited about, and probably most excited for this and the blush, honestly. The blush and the lipstick. This I'm not sure of because I will think about it, look, and translucent powder, in my opinion, is translucent powder. I mean, they don't all work equally, but some work better than others. But I'm always excited to try a new one, and I think this is wonderful right there. The blush is stunning, and it feels so nice. I'll have to see how it works when you have product on. Does it lift it? Does it, on your face, does it, you know, blend nicely, which I think it will because it blends nicely on my hand. So I'm excited for this one. Did you get AIA? Did you skip? I know a lot of you guys skip your boxes, but that's how you miss out on some of these really good products because you skip. Now, I know you can, a lot of times you can always go back and buy a past box or buy their products, but it's way more affordable to spend $38 and get the entire collection, which is what I like about this. I'm getting multiple products to try from her brand, which, like I said, I never heard of her. Excuse me. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.